Okay. What's up, guys? Yes, I am wearing the same outfit as my other video. It is because I, like I said in my other video, have a crap ton of unboxings to do. So this is just kind of gonna be like an unboxing video day, and you might see me in this outfit a few times. I don't know. The tape is super hard to get off. I can't wait. I'm always so excited for these, and I just always can't wait. Okay. Because I love crystals. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, I feel a really big crystal in here. I'm going to set that to the side. And I'm going to just grab the smaller ones first to show you guys. I really don't want to show you guys the star crystal yet until the end. So I'd rather start with the little ones. So, okay, so the first thing in here, it says, is the mineral crystal... mini crystals, I'm sorry, minerals. The mini crystals or minerals, and it says that it has red jasper, tangerine quartz shards, and black tourmaline or tourmaline. I don't know. Which one is it? You guys will let me know down below, but I think it's tourmaline. So that is how it looks. That is what it comes in. It comes in this little bag here, which is really cute. So this is like the bonus, and the star baby is over here. We're not gonna look at her yet. She's too beautiful, she's too fine to look at. We're gonna wait a second. So these are the bonus set. I'm just gonna take a wild guess as to what is. So this one I know is black tourmaline, or tourmaline I think it is. And it's so beautiful. I actually got a necklace with this on it and gave it to my friend for Christmas, because he was always, when we went to a crystal shop together, he was so attracted to black tourmaline. So I decided to get him a necklace in this, and he loves it. And I love it too, so there's something in my eye. I don't have any crystals that are like this whatsoever, that is just like strictly clay. Like, this is freaking clay, dude. This looks so cool, actually. It reminds me, I don't know why, but it reminds me of like Superman or something. Like a superhero from a different planet. I have no idea. I feel like this is like kryptonite. No, this is so cool. I've never seen like a crystal that was like clay. I never got that before. So that is what that looks like. Super duper cool. It has like this orangey clay like look to it, obviously. And then I'm going to show you guys the tangerine quartz shards. And they actually sent the same thing, the tangerine quartz shards, in my last enchanted crystals. I don't know what's going on, excuse me, parched. But yeah, I actually received a lot of these the last time in my last enchanted crystals unboxing as well. They tend to send these a lot, so I have quite a few of these. I might give some away to friends, or use them in like healing rituals or something like that. I might also make jewelry out of them. That's another thing that I didn't think of. But here's one. I'm gonna just show you guys one, because the other ones are like a bunch of little pieces and I'm spilling them everywhere, on my brand new Urban Outfitters blanket, which took me a month and a half to receive because it was on back order. But I'm in love with it. Anyway, back to the video. This is what that one looks like. It's clear. It does have a little bit of an orange tinge to it, but for the most part it's just clear. It almost looked like clear crystal quartz with like a slight tinge of orange to it. Maybe this will help if you guys can see it up against my hand. I think it's so cool. What do you guys think? Okay, and now for the Mama Jamma. The star of this unboxing, guys, is, I'm so scared and nervous to even look at it. Okay, I'm just gonna, it's wrapped in this green bubble wrap. Very tight, so you really can't see anything, so I don't know why I was closing my eyes earlier. Just scared I was gonna see something, I guess. Ah, here we go. Ah! Sorry, that was obnoxious. Oh my God, like, oh. Jesus freaking Christ. How freaking beautiful is that? So obviously it says that the star of this unboxing is Amethyst, obviously, and she is the star. Oh my God. Can you guys take that in for a moment, ladies and gentlemen? Just take that in for a moment. Just for a moment. You know what? I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna just let you guys take this in for a moment because I need to do that as well. Like, how in the world does this grow on our planet? How? This is so freaking magical. I can't even tell you. Look at it from the side. Like, look at all the different layers that you can see. That is absolutely freaking insane, dude. That is insane. I've always actually wanted a huge like cluster chunk of amethyst like this, and I got a few amethysts, but they're not like the clustered chunks like this. I love these. I love these. And actually the only reason why I haven't gotten them in the past before is because they've been super duper expensive to purchase. So that's the reason why I haven't collected too many of these. But now I have one and I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's beautiful. And this is the back of it. It just looks like a regular rock or stone. But I mean, how could this grow out of the ground from this? Like, how, you guys, how? It's absolutely beautiful. I'm so in love. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. That is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more beautiful enchanted crystals like this, because I have a crap ton of videos coming up. You want to see more crystals, right? So you're going to subscribe, right? Okay, I hope so. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.